Back again for another video. I real life, hope y'all can hear me. But starting this video off doing a little something different. I got the CDL now, and I'm finna drive truck. So right now I'm at the bus stop waiting on my bus. I'm going all the way to Tennessee to switch buses in Birmingham, but for now, cause I got a lot of ideas with it, but for now, let's just get there. So I'm gonna take y'all with me. I catch y'all next time I catch up with y'all. Let's get it.
What kind of fries? What size fries and soda? Well, yeah, that was the size right bus. Okay, now.
Well, these fried country as a motherfucker, boy. Alright, y'all, back again. Got dog, I'm checking in. Got dog. Hope y'all can hear me over them trucks idling, but got dog, got a minute. Actually, got a long minute. Decided I'd talk to y'all, catch y'all up, and just talk to y'all, talk that mess real quick. But man, today, the date that I'm putting this clip in the video is the 24th. I don't have nothing but to the 28th, so like a couple more days left before I get to be assigned my own truck type situation like that. You know, they say if it's kind of easy, it might be meant to be. You know what I'm talking about? Don't quote me, but you know, they say if it's easy for you, it's probably meant to be. Yeah, I mean, I ain't had too much, no problems out here. You know, not to say I ain't get frustrated or nothing like that type situation. You know, they come with it, but you gonna sink or swim? Which one you gonna do? I call myself gonna eat it up and swim. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, I should have checked in a little more with y'all along the way, but I kind of got lost in the thought of thinking how I was gonna structure this here video. But I should have been checking in along the way, let y'all know something like that there. It would have been better. But God dog, I'm just out here, I'm chilling right now. Been a minute since I've vlogged, so I feel like look a little crazy talking to the camera. But yep. I don't know what to say, man. God dog. Guess I'll fill y'all in next time I fill y'all in. Yeah, what up with y'all? It's your boy, God dog. I'm checking in again. It's been a good little minute since I last checked in with y'all. Since that last clip, it's been a good little minute since then. I'm sitting in my truck. You feel me? The only one in here. You feel me? It's all, you know what I'm saying? I'm parked. I'm parked. I'm at the house for the weekend, God dog. I'm chilling, bro. You see what I'm talking about? Like I was saying in that last clip, man, I got caught up in trying to structure the video, cause I had a vision for it, type stuff like that, but I forgot the main thing of what to do when you vlogging. Bruh, listen, bruh. I forgot the main thing. The main thing was to let it flow. Just to let it flow. I forgot to let it flow. So look, this is what I'm gonna do so I won't have y'all no boring video. I'm gonna insert my snaps in here coming up next. Now forgive me because I didn't know how to make them blurred on both sides. You know, like how when people, you know what I'm talking about, make it blurred, I ain't know how to do that, so forgive me. But I'm gonna tell you now, I be turned up on my snaps. I don't censor myself on snaps. I be all Kenny, god dog me. So I tell you now, I'm cussing a lot in my snaps. So if you don't like the cussing, god dog me, I don't know what to tell you. But I'ma let these snaps roll so the video won't be boring for y'all, god dog. This is just my way of introducing big truck stuff to the channel. Yeah, leave me some comments, let me know. But I got ideas. Y'all stay tuned for the ideas. You feel me? Look, I'm finna start talking that mess. God dog me. I'm finna insert these snaps, man. God dog. I hope y'all enjoy the video, man. Hope y'all ready for big truck stuff as well as some new little truck stuff or regular truck stuff. And I'm gonna catch y'all next video. Stick around to the end, god dog. Yeah, let's do it.
Well, y'all. Yeah. You see wait a minute. Trying to get y'all see something. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about? Waiting to roll that. See what I'm saying? Maybe a sandwich. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, all that, yeah.
Bro, I'm so antsy. I'm getting so antsy, God. Dog, I ain't got number 3 more minutes, but boy, I'm ready to go. Ah.
Nigga, what the fuck you think? You little, I'ma jam you a place. Damn, my nigga, you really too small. Right quick, let me answer the call.
Time back. What up with it? Welcome to your episode of God Dog Pimp My Truck. You see how I'm talking about? I'm in here done for the day. You feel me? God Dog, I'm finna eat some. Let me show you how I'm getting down. You feel me? Watch this here. Alright. Know what I'm saying? I got the ice, got the meat, the cheese, the lettuce, the mayo, the mustard. You know what I'm talking about? I get the ice for free. I don't pay for ice and I don't pay for no water. You feel me? Then you come through here, I got all the raviolis and the green beans and the bars, you feel me? Then I got some bread, you feel me? Then, goddamn me, I got, you know what I'm talking about, huh? I got the tropical fruit, oh, wait a minute. I'm super fancy, I got the tropical, yeah. Then I'm talking back out there. That's how you know that mud delicious, boy. See what I'm saying? You just you chill out with your AC, you know what I'm talking about? You just yeah. Yesterday I was hollering about how much I'm ready to go. Boy, today I sleep so good, folk. I don't even want to get up. Let me go and get up. Yeah. See what I'm talking about? You see what I'm talking about? I'm finna put his ass back. Had to get my lock. Mama put the bills up. Shit. Finna bag his ass up. I'm finna pick up this empty next to it. I'm finna find for the park, cuz. Mama, I'm tired anyway. Yeah. Guess I'll take my stinking ass over here and take a shower, goddamn me. Walk across the bitch ass street, goddamn it, that's a liability, goddamn me. Nigga hit me, I'ma whoop his ass, then I'ma sue some, goddamn me. Broken leg and all, I'ma get up and whoop his ass with a broken leg, goddamn, detach this motherfucker, whoop his ass with it, goddamn me. Whoop ass, goddamn. Let me quit playing, bro. Uh-oh, goddamn me, you know what time it is now, boy. It's time to make that sandwich, boy. Oh, my mama. Is this a wrap? Yeah. I catch y'all early in the morning, goddamn me. Yeah.
Shit was adding up, now it's starting to minus.
Yo.
Used to shoot it out, it was easy to find us. Now we getting older, it's just homework and signs. Before I come up out the crib, I gotta peek through the blinds.
Yeah. Damn, that be bright, boy. They ain't got me no load, goddamn me, boy. So I ain't gonna start the clock. I'm gonna sit right here. They don't call me by 9:15. I'm gonna call them. Hello? Do you have a load for my boy? For me, boy? Goddamn me. For the me, boy. Me, boy. Boy, I don't even know how y'all girl be doing this all day long. Boy, my head been itching all day, thug. I need to wash my hair and put some grease in it, for real talk. But you know, it don't need much love. Yeah. Goddamn. Anyway, goddamn me. Boy, I been patting this mess all day long, boy. I don't see how y'all, boy. Yeah, that mess don't cut it, boy. Y'all be, you know what I'm talking about? I been hitting that goddamn be pack today, boy. That's, boy, I'ma watch this mirror when I get home, boy. Real talk.
Yeah. I just been chillin', been playin' it cool. Ran up a second design on my shoes. I'm not a Christian, but I'm rockin' loose. Step out of gas, I make the news. My niggas on go, yeah, my niggas on food. Rollin' up grands and we stuffin' the two. Just like the music, I give 'em the blues. Said I keep the stick like I'm finna play pool. I had to run up the